Good morning, children. Let us come to our next topic, adding a new text. See, children, in the last class we have already known about entering the text and selecting the text in the document. Now you have written some letter to your friends or some text in the Word. Now in the middle, if you have forgotten some statements or some words, means you can add those things in the middle of the document also. That we are going to learn in this adding new text. See the steps to add the new text for the already existing document. Place the cursor at the point where you want to add the new text. Start typing the required text. The typed text will appear in the document. See, children, for example, this is a letter written to your friend, and here see, here you did not write the word residence. You completely typed this letter. Now you want to add the word residence. After again reading the letter, you realize that you did not enter the word residence in your letter. Now, can you make a change in this letter? Yes. Even though you have complete to type the letter, you have saved the letter, then also you can do the changes or give a new text in the letter or in the document. See how you will do that. Now you want to add that residence word after the word mine. Then take your cursor and give a left click at the place where you want to add the sentence and type the word what you have wanted to add. Now I want to add the word residence. See, residence. Yes, this is how we are adding the new text in the existing document. Next comes our topic, moving a text. Moving the text. See how to move a text. Let us see the steps given in the textbook. Select the text you want to move. Click on the cut button in the clipboard group on the home tab or press Ctrl X. What is the shortcut key to move the text, children? For the cut, what is the shortcut key for cut? Ctrl X. Ctrl X is the shortcut key of cut. The text disappears from the document and is temporarily placed on the clipboard. Position the cursor at the location where you want to place the selected text. Click on the paste button or press Ctrl V. The selected text appears at the desired location. And what is the shortcut key to copy or paste? Sorry, children. What is the shortcut key for pasting? Ctrl V. Ctrl V. See, here I have given the two statements. Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Now, I gave the first sentence as a knowledge is power. Now, I want to move this knowledge is power into the second line. And I want this information is liberating as a first line. Then what I'll do first, move the cursor onto the left side of the sentence from where you want to select. Just drag the cursor by pressing the left mouse button and take out the cursor to the cut. Click on the cut option and move the cursor where you want to paste it. Now I want to paste it underneath the information is liberating. So I have moved the cursor to the next line and now I am giving a click on the paste. This is how we'll move the text from one place to another. Next comes the topic, copying the text. See, children, here moving the text means moving the selected or a required text which we are taking it from original location to the new location. But in copying, we are making a duplicate of the original. We are making the duplicate of the original. See, take the same example. Now you have information is liberty as a first line, and second line is knowledge is power. Again, I want the same line, that is information is liberating as in the as a third line. Now what I'll do, I'll select the text which I want to copy. I want to make a duplicate of it. So I have selected the text. See, when the text is selected, here these paste, cut, copy are highlighted. Now I want to copy the text. What is the shortcut key of the copy? Ctrl plus C. You can use either keyboard or a mouse to use these options. Now I am giving a click on the copy, and where I want to copy, just place the cursor at the place where I want to copy the text and click on the paste button. See, this is how the same text is copied, means the duplicate of the text is made. That's it for this class, children. Let us continue with the next topic in the next class.